Transferring to LIM was easy for me because I was speaking a lot with the transfer advisors here, and we were able to figure out what kind of courses that I had to take at Suffolk County Community College in order to just have a smooth transfer over to LIM. But with coming to LIM, a lot of people want to look at the business side of fashion, which is why I came here. From day one, I felt as though I was really incorporated into the LIM family. Because it's a small campus, you tend to know everybody. I met a lot of people here who were transfers. I was able to really connect and network with the faculty. They want you to do well. They want you to succeed, and they're going to give you the tools to do that. They're going to give you the connections, what kind of things you should be looking at when you want to go into the industry. What kind of skills should you build as a student before you go out there so you're able to compete with people from Ivy League schools.